Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best S10 Exhaust is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for this classic truck, promising a dramatic transformation in performance, sound, and even fuel efficiency. This video will dive deep into the world of S10 exhaust systems, exploring various options, installation processes, and helping you choose the perfect setup to match your driving style and preferences, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck in a truly customized driving experience. Number 5. Walker 53294 Exhaust Pipe. It fits various years of Isuzu Ombre and Chevrolet S10 models. Always double-check the Amazon-confirmed fit to ensure it's right for your vehicle. Before buying, use the Amazon-confirmed fit tool. Enter your vehicle details for a perfect match. Pay attention to any additional notes indicated. It's made of durable aluminized steel to prevent rust and ensure long-lasting performance. This material is designed to withstand the elements. Installation is straightforward thanks to its precision bends and OE-style design. It includes hangers and connectors for a smooth process. It's designed as a direct fit, precisely matching the original equipment for optimal performance. Expect a perfect fit and great functionality. For a complete exhaust upgrade, use it with other premium Walker accessories like catalytic converters and mufflers. Maximize your vehicle's exhaust system. It comes in different lengths and diameters with the correct inlet and outlet connections. Check the specifications for details. What we like. This exhaust pipe is built to last with its durable construction, ensuring it resists rust and performs like the original. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. If you need a reliable, direct-fit replacement that performs like the original equipment, this is the perfect choice for your S10. What people say. It fits perfectly and looks great. I love the quality of the welds and the fact that it's not broken. Perfect fit for my 2000 S10. Exact fit for a 2003 Chevy S10, 2.2 liter. To install the 3 bolts, go through the fender well for the closet bolt. Go from underneath the vehicle for the other 2 with an extension on your ratchet. Easy installation. Number 4. Walker 53240 Exhaust Pipe. It fits various models including 1996 to 1997 Isuzu Ombre, Chevrolet S10, and GMC Sonoma. Always double-check your vehicle's year, make, model, engine, and trim to ensure a perfect fit. Before you buy, take a moment to verify compatibility. Enter your vehicle's details to confirm it's the correct part for your specific model. It's built with durable aluminized steel. This helps prevent rust and ensures long-lasting performance. Designed for a smooth installation process. Precision bends and OE-style components make it simple to put in place. It's a direct fit, rigorously checked to match the original equipment's precise fit and performance. For a complete system upgrade, use it with premium Walker accessories such as catalytic converters and mufflers. It comes in different lengths and diameters with the correct inlet and outlet connections. Check the specifications for details. What we like. This option provides the same great corrosion resistance and easy installation as the previous one. It's also engineered for a precise fit, ensuring seamless integration with your vehicle. If you prioritize a perfect fit and long-lasting performance without the hassle of a complex installation, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit for my 1997 GMC Sonoma SLE 5-speed manual with the 2.2L engine. It was almost scary how perfect it fit. Exact OEM replacement, even has the same flex joint. Fit well on my 99 Chevrolet S10 seems like working great for a while. Quality part, easy to install, fit perfectly, quieted down my 1997 Chevy S10. Number 3. S10 Catalytic Converter. This catalytic converter is designed for a perfect fit. It's engineered to meet or exceed OE standards for reliable performance. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. No modifications are needed for a seamless fit. This converter is specifically designed for 1996 to 2000 Chevrolet S10 trucks with the 2.2L engine. Ensure it's the right part for your vehicle. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and optimal performance. You can count on it for many miles to come. It effectively reduces harmful emissions, helping your vehicle run cleaner and more efficiently. It helps keep your vehicle running smoothly and within emission standards. TED is a trusted brand in automotive parts, known for quality and reliability. Choose TED for peace of mind. What we like. This catalytic converter is designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the test of time and offers reliable operation. If you are looking for a direct fit and reliable replacement for your S10's catalytic converter, this is a great option. What people say. Slip joint allows length adjustments and front flange alignment. Comes with bolts and gaskets. 6 bolts, 2 gaskets, and swap the 0-2, you're done. Number 2. Mack Auto Engine Flex Pipe. This engine flex pipe is designed for your 1996 or 1997 GMC S10 pickup. It's built to last and perform as well as, or better than, the original. Specifically designed for 2.2L rear-wheel drive GMC S10 models. Ensure compatibility with your vehicle's specifications. It offers exceptional durability, built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. You can count on it for reliable performance. This part is manufactured to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. It's a perfect replacement for your worn-out component. Manufactured in ISO-certified facilities, ensuring high-quality materials and precision construction. You're getting a superior product. It undergoes thorough inspection to guarantee high-quality parts and superior workmanship. You can trust in its reliability. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This flex pipe is built to last, featuring outstanding durability and consistent performance. It's manufactured to exacting standards and comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you value long-term reliability and a worry-free experience, this flex pipe is an excellent investment. What people say. All parts included. The part fits perfectly. Number 1. Northeastern Exhaust Kit. This kit is designed for easy installation by a professional. It includes all the necessary gaskets and clamps, so no welding is required. Get it done quickly and easily. We stand behind the quality of our product. It's built to last and provide you with reliable performance for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind with our satisfaction guarantee. Made from high-grade aluminum, it's built to withstand harsh conditions. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion worries, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its lightweight aluminum construction not only enhances durability but also improves your vehicle's handling. Experience a smoother, more efficient ride. The polished aluminum finish gives your vehicle's exhaust a sleek, modern look. Enhance your vehicle's style with this upgrade. Your purchase is protected by our 5-year warranty against defects. We're confident in our product's quality and want you to be too. See warranty details for exclusions. What we like. This exhaust system kit is incredibly easy to install, requiring no welding. It's made from high-quality aluminum for superior corrosion resistance and a sleek look. If you want a stylish, easy-to-install exhaust system upgrade that will last, this kit is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.